Hi, I'm Roby, your AI narrator. Some say I'm the future of video marketing. Others say I look like I was designed in 15 minutes. Can't both be true? Let's go. So, what is knowledge management? Imagine this. You're searching for a crucial piece of information at work. Maybe it's buried in a forgotten email, lost in an old document, or locked away in a colleague's brain who just went on vacation. Frustrating, right? That's the chaos that knowledge management aims to fix. By the end of this video, you'll understand what knowledge management is, why it's essential, and how businesses use it to stay competitive and efficient. At its core, knowledge management, or KM, is the process of capturing, organizing, sharing, and optimizing information within an organization. It ensures that valuable knowledge is accessible to the right people at the right time. Instead of getting lost in a sea of disconnected apps and files, think of it as a well-organized library versus a chaotic junk drawer. One helps you find exactly what you need, while the other wastes time and creates frustration. Here are the 3 pillars of knowledge management. Knowledge capture. This involves gathering and structuring information, whether it's from employee expertise, documents, or databases. Without capturing knowledge, valuable insights disappear when employees leave or teams shift. Knowledge sharing. The best information is useless if it stays locked away. Knowledge sharing ensures that teams can easily find, access, and apply what they need, whether through internal wikis, AI-powered search tools, or real-time collaboration. Knowledge optimization. It's not just about storing knowledge, it's about improving it. A strong KM system continuously refines and updates information so that teams get the most relevant, accurate insights. Why does knowledge management matter? Poor knowledge management leads to wasted time, duplicated work, and costly mistakes. Studies show that employees spend over a quarter of their workweek just searching for information. With a strong KM strategy, businesses can boost productivity, streamline operations, and empower teams to make better decisions. Traditional knowledge management relied on static documents and manual updates. But today, AI-powered tools like Guru's knowledge agents revolutionize the process by automatically surfacing relevant information based on context, learning from usage patterns to provide smarter, faster answers, bridging gaps between disconnected apps so knowledge flows effortlessly. Want to build a personalized, no-code AI agent that delivers instant knowledge? Check out our demo to see Guru's custom knowledge agents in action. And if you found this helpful, let us know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge with managing knowledge in your workplace? Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on AI, productivity, and smarter work solutions.